Okay, so here's 10.4, number 8. So the first thing it wants us to find is x and y. So on this one, we know that opposite angles add up to equal 180. So I have 2x plus 26y equals 180. Okay, I can set up the same thing with these angles right here. I got 21y plus 3x equals 180. So we'll do 3x plus 21y equals 180. Okay, now there's a couple ways you can do this. You can set them equal to each other. They both equal the same thing, so we can just set them equal to each other. So I can do 2x plus 26y equals 3x plus 21y. Okay, let's get one of these guys alone. So I'm going to minus 3x to the other side. Or you know what? I'm going to minus 2x. Minus 2x, minus 2x. I want my x's on the same side. That cancels out, so now I'm left with 26y equals 1x plus 21y. Okay, so now I want my y's on the same side, so I'm going to minus this 21 over. Minus 21y minus 21y. Okay, so this cancels. I'm left with 5y equals x. So now wherever there's an x in this one, I can substitute with 5y. So I'm going to do that for the first one. So here where there's my 2x, I'm going to substitute that with a 5y. 2 times 5y plus 26y equals 180. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. I got 10y plus 26y equals 180. I can combine my y's together, so I get 36y equals 180. Whew, I'm going to go over here. Now, 36y. Now, I can divide each side by 36. So divide this by 36. Divide this by 36. I'm left with y equals 180 divided by 36. Gives me 5. Okay, I got what y equals. Now I can take this guy and I can stick it back into either one of these for y to solve for x. I'm going to do the second one since we just haven't used that. Why not? Okay, I'm going to erase what I have up here so I can fit that in. Okay, so now I know what y is. Y is 5, so I'm going to replace y here with the number 5. So I have 3x plus 21 times 5 equals 180. So 3x, 21 times 5 is 105 equals 180. Can subtract 105 from each side. That cancels. I have 3x equals 75. Divide each side by 3. X equals 75 divided by 3 is 25. So I got x and I got y. That was the hardest part so far. Now it asks you, sorry, I'm just bringing it up here, to find the measure of each angle now. So I'm going to erase this down here. Okay, so it wants us first to find the measure of angle DAB. DAB. So the measure of angle DAB, that's this angle here. DAB, so that's 26y. So I know what y is, I can replace that with 5. So I got 26 times 5. I put that in my calculator. 26 times 5, I get 130. So there's one answer. Now, there you go. Next one, the measure of angle ABC. ABC is 3x. So I got 3. I know what my x is 25. So 3 times 25, which is 75. Okay. Now I can, there's 2 different ways you can find the other angle. I'm going to do measure of angle BCD. So sorry, BCD, which is 2x. Well, I know that these ones are supplementary. They add up to 180. So I could do 180 minus this 130. And that equals 50. You can do it that way, or you can replace the x again with the 25. And you'd give 50 as well. Okay, last one here is the measure of angle ADC, which I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do 180 minus this angle here, which it was 75. That gives me 105. That's my answer. Hopefully you can see those. I'm going to go from top to bottom. This is just an order. This is 130, 75, 50, and 105. Good job.